Hey guys, this is Boss Baby Beauty 16 by Jenny, and today I am going to be doing a New Year's eye look with the Conspiracy palette. I'm also going to be using this palette by Anastasia, and this is their holiday loose glitter kit. So I'm super excited to give this a try. Now, if you are not a glitter person, then I probably would skip this tutorial, but I really like eye glitter, so that is why I'm going to do that. And generally, you know, New Year's is all about glam and being glamorous and, you know, going into the new decade, so why not go all for it? So let's get right to it. The first thing I'm going to do is, as always, prime my eyes with the P. Louise eye base. We are just going to pop that on our eyes. And of course, you know, blend it in with a beauty blender. Okay guys, now that my eyes are primed, I am going to be using Ranch for my first color, and I am just going to be patting that on my eyes. Do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have Ranch patted on our eyes, we are now going into My Right Is Here, and we're going to start blending on the outer corner of the eye in circular motions, just like so. Black can always be a tough color to work with, so you want to start off light and then build up. And then we are going to take a little bit of the same color, My Right Is Here, and put a little bit here because we're creating more of a halo eye look. Okay, so it's going to go somewhat in the inner corner. Use circular motions. Slightly blend it in just a little bit. Do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have the inner and outer eye smoked out, we are going to use the P. Louise base and go down the middle of our crease. So once we have like a little block like this, we're going to, on this eye, we're going to do the same thing to the other eye now. Okay, so now that I have the inner parts cut out with the eye base, I'm going to spritz my brush, and then I'm going to use the color Diet Cola, and we're going to pat that on the inner of the eyes. Do the same thing to the other eye. have Diet Cola on the center of my eyelids. We are going to go back into my right is here and just blend everything in a little bit better. Same thing to the other eye. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is we're going to put the eye glitter on now. And I have the Anastasia eye glitter, and we are going to put that just the eye glitter on top of Diet Cola. Do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now that we have the eye glue on our eyes, what I'm going to do is put the eye glitter on, and this is by Anastasia and it's called Glisten, and this is the loose glitter. And I honestly, you guys, I think it's going to be faster with my hands, so I'm going to use my finger. The same thing to the other eye. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking with the glitter on it. Let me do a close-up so you guys can see the glitter fall and what I do to get rid of it. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a lot of glitter fallout going on. So what I do to get rid of it is first I get a fan brush and I try to fan as much as I can off. And generally, most of the time that does a trick, but let's say like you really have some stubborn glitter going on, I just take any setting powder you have. Anything works. You just dip this into your setting powder. And you just fan it off. Okay, so now we have most of the glitter off. Oh, actually practically all of the glitter is off now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my foundation and brows, and I'll be right back so we can finish up the rest of this look. Okay you guys, so now that I have my foundation on and my brows done, I know it looks a little bit crazy right now, but once you put eyelashes on and do the rest of, you know, the wing liner and stuff, it's going to look way better. So what I'm going to show you right now before I do the wing eyeliner and eyelashes, I'm going to come back with all of that, so we'll conclude the video with that. I'm going to use the Lingerie Liquid Lipstick by NYX, and this is in Teddy, so I decided to do more of a darker lip, only because like on New Year's, you know, go bold, you'll be wearing like a dress with heels, probably having your hair curled and whatnot. So it's gonna look really nice. So I'm gonna put on this color by NYX Teddy. I typically do is I use the edge of the applicator to kind of like line my lips if I don't have that lip liner color. And then what I'm going to do next is line my lips with concealer just to clean it up. Get my foundation brush and blend that in. And lastly, put lip gloss on there. This is by the Beauty and the Beast palette by Lorlac. It's called Très. Alright, so we have the lips on. Now I'm going to come back with my lashes and wing liner and we'll see the final look. So here is the final look with the Conspiracy palette. Yes, I know it's a really bold look. It could be a great look for a nighttime, maybe going to the club or something like that. So keep in mind, yes, this look is really bold. You probably aren't going to go, you know, to work like this or something like that. So it is a very bold look. So if you're into this style, let me know if you like it. Give it a thumbs up. I actually created, you know, this with just 3 colors from the Conspiracy palette. So it's actually not a hard look to recreate. And if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys didn't like it, it's okay. I know it's a really bold look, but makeup's all about having fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!